Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming channel. Today we are going to see how to get the input from the user by using scanner class. In Java, there are two ways to get the input from the user. They are using scanner class. The class was introduced in JDK 5.0. The next one is data input stream class. The data input stream class was introduced in JDK 1.0. So let's move into the scanner class. When you are using a scanner, you have to import java.util package. There are two ways to do this. The first way is import java.util.scanner. It only imports the scanner class in the util package, or you can use it like this: import java.util.start. It imports all the classes, methods, and interfaces in the package. The next point is in scanner we use the object of the scanner class to get the input and store the value of the input. The scanner methods are next byte. It used to get the byte value. Next short. It used to get the short value. Next int to get the integer value. Next long to get the long value. Next boolean is used to get the boolean value. Next float is used to get the float value. Next double is used to get the double value. And there are two methods to get the string in Java. The first one is next. It used to get the string value without space. There is no space in between it. The next one is next line. Next line is used to get the string value with space. In Java, it will always get the input of the variable as string. So you have to convert it to the data type. Into data type. For example, in the next int method, next is used to get the string value and int is used to convert into the integer value. The same apply to the long. Next is used to get the string value and long is used to convert it into the long value. The data type after the next should always start with capital because Java is case sensitive. For example, next in the next line, the L is used to be capital. In the next boolean, the B is used to be capital. For moving to the syntax, we can access the object like this: scanner object name is equal to new scanner system.in, where system is a class, in is used to get the input value. So moving on to the program, we import the java.util scanner. When we are using scanner, you have to import like this. Then I create a class called scan. We open the main method, public static void main string aux. We declare the integer variable a, float variable b, and string variable c. We create a object sc like this: scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, where sc is the object. We enter the value of a. So we get the a value by using scanner object. A is equal to sc dot next int. So it will get the a value by using the next int method. So it converts the string value into the integer type. The next one is enter the value of b. The b is the float. So we use sc dot next float to get the float value. And next is we print the enter the value of p without space because we use the next method. So we are getting the input without space. So we get the c value by using sc dot next. Then we print the value of a is plus a is equal to add the value of the variable. Value of b is plus b and value of c is plus c. So this will be the program. Let's run the program to how the output works. See. Okay, it tells the enter the value of a. So I give the value 5. Now the value of b is port. So I give the value 78.6. Enter the value of c without space. So I give hi. Then the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 78.6 and the value of c is high. it will print as like this. So what happened when we print? What will happen when we print the C with space? Let's see this. Enter the value of A. I give the value of 78. Enter the value of B. I give the value of 89.6 for float value. Enter the value of B, C without space. When we give hi, welcome, it will only print hi. It will not take the value with space after the space. It will not take the value after the space. Okay. When we give enter, value of A is 78, value of B is 89.6, value of C is high. It will only take the value before space, not the after space value will not be taken by it. Okay. Okay friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.